English.
Hey, I want to date you.
Continue.
I would love to date you.
Continue.
Are you single?
Yes, I am single.
I'm also single.
I am Scripture Union.
Very serious now.
Sebo, continue.
Auntie Ganjara could dating up with host.
English.
Okay, I would love to date you, Madam Black Panther.
Continue.
So, may I let me see. May I know about you?
What do you want to know about me?
Your real name, where you stay, and what you do.
Talk about yourself.
But I say that Matthias.
First, talk about yourself.
Okay, I'm Matthias. I'm an accountant. 2 years of experience. I stay in Kansanga. And I'm single.
Continue.
And I would love to date you.
Who?
You.
Continue.
May I know about you?
What do you want to know about?
Your real name?
Black Panther Africa.
Where do you stay?
Buziga.
Buziga?
Yeah.
How would you love to date me?
Do I know you?
We can know each other on our first date. I think that would be the incidence of going on a date, eh?
Why are you looking like that?
What?
Why are you looking like that?
I'm trying to hear what you're saying.
Why are you looking like that?
Like, I'm not understanding what you're saying.
Why are you looking like that?
I'm from Mankole.
Is that the reason why you're looking like that?
Like, I'm not understanding. How do you want me to look?
What's wrong with your eyes?
You want me to blink? Like, I'm close the phone, eh?
Okay, you blink. Blink your eyes. Come
okay,
closer.
sorry.
Come closer. Stop drinking. Stop sipping. Blink your eyes. Blink your eyes faster.
But I'm doing so. I'm blinking my eyes.
Come on the camera. Come closer. Do it faster.
Like that?
Yeah, continue. Blink. Do it like faster, faster. Continue, faster. Come in. Yes, come closer. Do it. Blink. And then smile. Stop sipping.
Okay. So, by the way, I'm serious. I'm not doing comedy.
We are not in comedy.
Yeah.
Nobody's doing comedy. This is a serious program.
Yeah. So that's why I came with the point. I didn't say I'm looking for any other person.
Yeah, yes, you said you're looking for me. So I said that's what I want. When I tell you to do something, you have to do it because I'll get to know whether you're serious or not. Do you know how to eat ice cream?
Ice cream? That's what I don't like it. It's not my favorite.
It's not your favorite.
It's not my favorite.
All right. So you love me, eh?
I'm interested in you. I haven't loved you yet.
Where is your bed? Where is your bed?
What?
Where is your bed?
There.
Where is the bucket where you do susu?
I have self-contained room, like my.
Show me your toilet. Show me your toilet, because I don't want to come in your place at your place when you don't have a toilet inside. So
I'm not gonna show you inside, but
let
I'm
me
gonna
have a
show
look
you.
at your house here. Where is it?
Yes, there.
Where? Let me see the toilet.
You want to see inside the toilet?
No, just put the camera there. I want to see the bathroom, the toilet.
Why do you want to see? It's there. But I want to show you inside.
Where is it? Where is it? I'm not seeing.
You see the towels there?
Okay, where are your panties? Because I want to see the panty. I don't want a man who doesn't have panties. Do you have one?
Damn. I said I'm an accountant. You think I don't have clothes?
How many clothes do you have?
I have plenty.
Where are they?
You want to see my wardrobe right now?
Where is your wardrobe? How can I love a woman? How can I love a man without a wardrobe? How without clothes? Show me, show me. Because
No,
you're
I'm not
interested.
gonna show you my wardrobe. You show me yours.
Where is your bed now? Where do you sleep?
Behind.
Where is it?
You see the net, like you see the net.
Is that your bedroom? Is that your bed?
Yeah.
Okay, go on your bed and sleep. Let's see whether it's yours. Maybe you are in someone's house. Eh?
I'm in someone's house. Why would I be on someone's house?
You're lying to me. Why are you lying?
What? No, I'm not lying.
Sleep on your bed. Sleep. Put the juice somewhere and sleep.
Like I love this juice, so I'll have to.
Okay, you
Okay.
put the camera up. We see whether the bed is yours.
Like it's my bed. Like it's my bed.
You have only one pillow.
No. I have many. Like others are there, but here I have two.
Where are the legs? I'm not seeing your legs. You're showing me all the time your head. And where is the other part? Let me see the legs.
You want to see my leg?
Hey, show me the legs. Where are they? You put the phone somewhere. I want to see your height.
I'm told.
Hey, let me see. Let me have a look at you. Hey.
I think I'm 182 long. Is that meters or centimeters? Around there.
Blink your eyes again, we see.
Haira, choyagala chikuseeza.
Oyina wosimba essimu.
I don't have the headset, so it is on. I don't hear very well
Do
when
you have where
I
you
don't have
can
headset.
put your phone? Because I want to see your height.
I want to see my height. Do I have where to put my phone? I don't know if. Be?
Ezo biki ebyo biri ku TV wansi by'oteekaawo wansi ku TV.
On the TV.
Biki ebyo?
This is jelly. I put my jelly, my perfume, my water, the Bible,
Luumu emu.
DSTV, cards.
Olina luumu emu. Essowaani ziruwanga siraba ssuwaani.
In the kitchen outside.
Where is the kitchen?
Like it's outside the room.
Okay. Oyina 6 packs. Do you have 6 packs?
Yeah, I go to the gym.
Let me see. Let me have a
No,
look.
no.
Please, I want to see the 6 packs. You told me you are interested in me. Why can't I have a look?
But that's when you accept for the date and we go for the date. We know each other. Then
Okay,
you know
njagala
about my
kulaba ku
body
6 packs
parts.
sebo njagala kulaba ku 6 packs.
This is crazy. That one I will show you later. But this is everyone show to see my body, no?
Okay, kati okiki ky'osinga okuwoomerwa okulya?
Cheeseburger.
Cheese and what?
Cheeseburger.
Ogirya otya?
That's what I like to eat. He said what I like to eat. That's what I like.
Kiki ky'osinga okuwoomerwa ng'okikomba bukombi?
Okay. Kissing. Lips, kissing.
Kissing andabe?
I don't have someone to kiss.
Nzuuno, kissinga. Leeta eno kiss. Ngereseza muleeta nzuuno. Tandika. Mpaayo nga 4.
Enchi.
2 kisses. 2 zimala tompa nnyingi.
Lwaki tokkiriza ne tugenda ku date then ne kissinga?
Mukwano kissinga. Ogambye oyagala nnyo okukissinga. Kissinga.
Menjagala nnyo I get to dry, eh? So I take a lot of drinks.
Kissinga mukwano.
What?
Kissinga genda maaso kissinga leeta kisi.